Hi, everybody. Mike Donnelly here from Barrier Free Contractors. Installing a barrier-free roll-in shower is so great for wheelchair users or seniors with mobility issues, people that just can't step up into a tub or over a curb. So what we do is, you can see here to the left, we gut out the concrete to get down to the main drain, install a drain that's going to be applicable to the roll-in shower, fill in the necessary gut out with concrete, and then we go ahead and we mud pan it, what's called a mud pan. We then make sure we level everything out, make sure that the water lines have been installed properly, waterproof it with a liquid waterproof membrane, usually called a Red Guard, and now the shower is basically ready to tile. So it's a beautiful thing, and matter of fact, probably everybody really needs something like this as we're all getting older. Thank you.